Where do we go today? What shall we eat? Well, it will be a wonderful stew of meat and a lot of vegetables. Earthy and delicious. Charquican from Chile. Hola amigos, join me today in another adventure. Charquican is traditionally made with dried salted meat, stewed with a variety of vegetables. Modern version uses minced beef, but today we shall use pork shoulder with squash or pumpkin, sweet potato, regular potato, green beans, garlic, onion, and sweet corn, which you can use canned, frozen, or fresh. Here's the rest of the ingredients. Now we shall prepare the ingredients. First, the vegetables. Wash, peel, and cut the sweet potato into cubes. De-seed the squash or pumpkin. Cut the skin and also cut into cubes. Do the same with the potatoes. Wash, peel, and cut into cubes. With the green beans, remove the top and bottom. Cut into about 1 inch length. Chop the garlic and the onion. Now, we got all the vegetables ready. Cut the pork shoulder into cubes, roughly the same size as the vegetables. In a bowl, add paprika and salt to the pork pieces. Mix well and set aside to marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes.
Liking this video makes us super happy, especially if you share this with a friend. Say something in the comment. And if you don't want to miss our next video, subscribe to our channel. And remember to hit the notification bell too.
Heat oil in a large pan over medium heat. Brown the pork pieces on all sides. Remove and set aside. In the same pan, cook the onion and garlic for 5 minutes or until soft. Add oregano, cumin, and paprika. Stir until fragrant. Return the pork to the pan. Pour in the broth. Add the vegetables one at a time. Sweet potato, potato, squash, and lastly, the green beans. Simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes until vegetables are soft and the pork is tender. Add in the sweet corn and simmer for another 3 to 4 minutes. You can adjust the seasoning at this point. The stew should have a thick and chunky texture. Serve hot. You can add a fried egg on top if you wish. And there you have it, my dear friends. Chilean Charquicán. Super filling, super easy to make. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next week for another easy recipe.
Watching and cooking along helps this channel. But if you'd like to do a little more, support us with Buy Me a Coffee. We would appreciate it.
There are more plushy videos to watch and enjoy. Just click here. Thank you.